Alright, then we need to cut out the gauntlet pieces as well as the shoulder parts, and then later on we'll cut out some accents to go on it for this armor build. So let's go ahead and sharpen our tools. So that's the first thing you want to do. This EVA foam really dulls your blade, so there we go. Alright, just go ahead and start cutting. I've got all my parts traced out on my, just EVA foam that comes in a big roll. Nothing fancy here. Let's go ahead and get started. So I guess we'll cut this piece out here first. There we go. There we are. One piece. Alright, so I will cut out all the rest of these pieces, and then we'll start gluing them together. Alright, let's get these shoulder part here done. So these are the individual pieces, and we'll just, kind of start here in the middle, and we'll glue it together. And here we go. One shoulder part done. And it's all glued together. And it will just go here on the shoulder. Gotta put some, Velcro or straps or something in this to hold together, but I have some accent pieces I want to put on this, and we'll do that part later. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, I need to work on the accent parts. So I had a bit of graph paper, and I just sort of traced, or drew, I should say, a pattern that I liked. Two of them. One for the shoulder part, and one for the, I don't know what you want to call it, gauntlet type part. So I'll go ahead and cut these out of foam, which I've already traced a couple of pieces on. Right here, I don't know if you can see the lines or not. So I'll use my X-Acto blade, I'll cut those out, and then we'll glue them onto the other part, and I'll show you that here in a minute. So let's go ahead and get started on cutting. Okay, so I have all of my parts cut out. Go ahead and put these together. Let's see here. Line up the marks I made. Like that. This one goes on top of that one. Like that. On here. Lastly, this last piece here on there. Smash them all down. And you should end up with a part that looks like this, like scales. Of course, the glue I use is just some contact cement. You have to let it dry. I did that. So the next side piece of this, of course, would be to attach that to a shoulder piece like this, like that. So that's the next thing we'll do. And then we'll do the other side. Then we'll get to the shoulder bell part, put the scales on that too, and we'll be that much closer. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Alright, so got some other pieces here gluing, and we'll put them on this piece here, but this is what it will look like when it's all done. The scales are on it, it's on the back, it's all pressed on. So we've used the glue, so I'll get this other side here finished with the parts, and then we'll get it on the mannequin, and I'll show you what that looks like. Then we'll do the shoulder parts next, and move on to the thigh parts, and hopefully we'll get this armor done before the next Comic-Con.